There we are, the standoff screw that we need. So I'm just lifting up on the speaker here, get that out of the way. And it just had that little piece of tape on there. And then when I can get access to, I guess I need to take out the static engine. Alright, engine's out. Covered up my barometer, that guy off, discarded that, don't need that. And there we are, the standoff screw that we need. Let me make sure I don't lose this one like I did the last one. I'm just gonna put this right up in here just because I already have it on my driver.